Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add your Calendly booking link to your LinkedIn profile in 2025. This helps clients or collaborators easily schedule meetings with you without messaging back and forth. Start by opening Calendly and copying your personal booking link from your dashboard. Your link usually looks like calendly.com/your name. You can customize it in your profile settings to make it shorter or more professional. Now open LinkedIn and go to your profile. Click the edit icon, scroll down to contact info, and click add website. Paste your Calendly link there. In the label section, type something like book a meeting or schedule a call. You can also add your Calendly link to your about or featured section to make it more visible. For example, write a short line inviting people to book a meeting and include your link right after it. Once done, click Save and refresh your LinkedIn profile to confirm it's showing properly. Now anyone visiting your profile can easily book time with you through Calendly. That's how you add your Calendly booking link to your LinkedIn profile in 2025. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.